Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at this. This might be the smallest power tool I've ever held, and it claims to be ultra powerful. And we're going to see if this little thing is actually any good. So okay, let's crack this packaging open. The speed charging cable and batteries are all included, so that's good. And of course we've got the manual that we'll pretend we'll read later. Next up, the magnetic bit storage set. This is the actual screwdriver itself. Wow, this is tiny. It's like just a little bit larger than the marker pen. It's available in a number of colours, so I opted for this matte red metallic shade. It has that premium finish that makes it feel like a mini gadget that Apple forgot to release. Bar LED on the side, and you can select the different settings on the end. Next up, the magnetic bit holder set. Look at this, 50 pieces in here and it all rotates and everything clicks back into place nice and neatly. Okay, so let's try it on this tape deck. The case screws on the back are usually quite tight, so let's see how it deals with those. That's doing a good job, that. That one seems quite tight. No problem. Push it in a bit further. Nice. So after just about 5 minutes with this thing, I've got to say I get the hype. It's tiny, it's strong, and it's actually satisfying to use. It smells better than the Bosch push driver I reviewed a few years back on my channel, which has been my go-to for a long time. So if you do repairs, build gadgets, or you just want the coolest pocket tool ever, this may well be your new favourite toy. I think it is mine.